up to the next level technology for smart elevators. Here you can see our panel with our brand new PSU03 in combination with our LES03, our safe system for elevator and safety functions. On this panel at the trade show Interlift, we can see it in combination with the electromechanical safety gear. First, we see the safety gear of Vitour, which we can combine with our PSU03. Second, we have our electromechanical safety gear from Dynatec. And last but not least, we have our safety gear in combination with PSU03 from 𝔸𝕆𝕃𝕆𝕆𝕆. If we look to the display of PSU03, so very easy to work with Kübler because we provide a display where you can see the most important topics and status of the electromechanical safety gear. So you see right now, you see the rail on the safety gear, and you see that safety circuit is closed and the electromechanical safety gear is not triggered. So now we will create the situation of overspeed. And if you see here, now the safety gear is triggered by the position supervisor unit PSU03, and we have the brake switched on. Now, and this is what we call intelligent safety gear management, we can trigger the safety gear, the electromechanical safety gear. We can reset the electromechanical safety gear, what we're doing now. Now it is rejected and the elevator car can move up and down in normal mode. If we create a second time now overspeed and we look to the display, we can see on the display when we have overspeed also the direction. You see, based on the arrows, safety circuit is open, ESG is triggered, and you see the two arrows. The two arrows stands for electromechanical safety gear left side and right side, and you can see that we have overspeed in down directions.